Hi, I'm Craig Phillips, a builder, DIY expert and Frenchic's very proud brand ambassador. You may also recognise me on one of the thousands of TV makeovers that I've been a part of. I've been working with Pam and the team since 2018 and it's a dream collaboration for me. Not only is Frenchic Paint an exceptional product, their brand is all about the passion, the people as well as the paint. Frenchic is a high quality chalk and mineral paint that really ticks all the boxes. It's unique, easy to use for beginners, as well as being a choice for professionals, just like me. They have 5 excellent paint ranges: original artisan, lazy, al fresco, wall paint and trim paint. Everything they make has the customer and the environment in mind. After being in the industry for over 3 decades and having used almost every paint on the market, Frenchic, in my opinion, is the best. I literally painted my entire house with it, from top to bottom. They've even won a Queen's Award for Enterprise, which says it all, official royal approval. Frenchic really is one big family that I'm immensely proud to be a part of. They're a global community for upcyclers, creativity and inspiration. Whilst I could talk about the amazing paint for hours, why not see what makes them unique in my Frenchic how-to videos on YouTube?